Well, I guess I'll be working over here, hopefully. Yes, I'll be standing up a little bit. So I didn't have any good idea for a video, so this will be it. Yes, okay. We are opening this one. I don't have a lot of time, so we'll do it as a good and fast unboxing. Here we go. Be easier if I hold it in my hands. Here we go. This is the unboxing, and I'll show you how it looks in my PC. So yeah, I'll just unbox it, show you everything, and then I'll show you it already on my PC. I won't be showing you the whole process because I have one arm that's recording everything. So the fans, wait a second, 3 of those, very cool. The 3 fans, everything is here, everything is cool. This is a huge radiator. Yeah, this big thing. The problem that maybe those will touch this part in my PC, this thing. Hopefully they will not touch it, but you know, maybe they will. And I think I'll have to remove my disk thing. I use it less and less every day. This is the screen that you'll have here. This is the radiator, putting it on the radiator, maybe a stupid idea. 3 fans. I'm going to put it in the PC. You can see me in the plastic I mean. We are going to replace this one, the double fan one.
Day 2.
So yeah, I've put it on. Those are the 3 fans up there. It is going in here. As you can see, it's not touching the disk one. The disk reader slash writer, whatever it is, was up here before. I needed to put it down here, so I'll at least have it somehow on my PC and need it. So essentially, here you are. I get a lifetime temps. There's still an empty space here. I am going to put, don't mind that, should go away. Here we go. I'm going to put a figure here as soon as it arrives. And I don't know if you can see it. Really? Behind it, I put the, here you can see it a little bit up here. You can see it up here, above it. I put the original fan that was there. It was a 40mm one. It wasn't RGB, so I removed it. Now, oh, you can see the screws. So I put it on the other side. There's like a, I don't know, a huge bulky thing here, so it's kind of inside the case, it's not outside, it's not messy or anything. And the cable is going, I cannot show you it, it's going here behind the door and inside the case. So I put secondary fan here, also blows out wind, whatever it is, air, because I was a little bit paranoid. And here we go, we have those things. 41 Celsius. If I still go to Premiere, you can barely see them. There's scratches here because once it was near my chair and I scratched everything up, the whole window. So yeah, let's go back to the table. Schmeebel, my animated screens. Guess I'll have to live with the solution I have right now, because it's like maybe for an hour, half an hour, as long as I like edit the video, and then it goes to normal temperatures again. Because even if I record and put a game on and have like a bunch of internet pages on, it doesn't get more than 82 degrees. It rarely gets to 80 something. Usually it's 70 and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the cooler. I do like it. I like to see the screen in the PC. It's so cool. I'm less terrified of my computer overheating and breaking. So that's good. And yeah, that's my excuse of video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I don't know how the unboxing looks, because I was supposed to record it with my mic on my desktop, but I didn't hit record on OBS. Yes, again, I didn't do that, so we'll have to depend on the mic on my phone, which isn't great as you saw previously. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Subscribe. I know that 64% are not subscribed yet, and see you on the next one.